Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make cookies and cream cheese cookies. For the ingredients, we need 3 egg yolks, 22 pieces of Oreos, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of butter, 115 grams of cream cheese, 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2.5 cups of plain flour. To begin, we're going to break the Oreos into smaller chunks. By the way, preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Set this aside. Now combine the plain flour, salt, cream of tartar, and baking soda. Give it a quick mix and then set this aside as well. Now in a bowl, combine the room temperature butter and the room temperature cream cheese. This is really important that these two is at room temperature. Add the vanilla as well. And then using an electric mixer, beat this until it is well combined. At this point, add the sugar. Stop to scrape down the side of the bowl. Now, while beating continuously, add the egg yolks one at a time. Scrape down the side of the bowl again. And now we're going to sift in the dry ingredients. To begin mixing, use a spatula first. And then to fully combine these, we're going to use the electric mixer. But please do not over mix this, so our cookie will be light and chewy. At this point, we can add the chunks of Oreos. Mix it using a folding method until everything is well combined. Now I have a cookie pan lined with parchment paper. Now I'm scooping the batter or the dough into the pan. I'm making a decent size cookies, but you can make a bigger cookie if you like. And then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the sides is brown. Do not overcook this. And this is what it looks like after baking. It looks weird, but after a few minutes of resting, it will look like this. This will not form a perfect circle cookies because of the Oreos. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. I can guarantee that you're gonna love them. It's so easy to make. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you cut the cookie in half. This is so chewy, moist, and really delicious. It's not too sweet. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Click the notification bell so you can be updated on what's happening at My Sweet Ambitions. Thank you. Bye.